Alright, picture this. Your brain is absolutely packed with billions of tiny connections, all working together every time you see, hear, or touch something. Now imagine if computers could learn and make sense of the world in a similar way. That's where deep learning steps in, the brain-inspired revolution that's changing how machines think. Deep learning is actually a special branch inside the world of machine learning. You know, the tech that teaches computers to learn from data? But deep learning takes things up a notch. Instead of just following simple instructions, it uses what we call deep neural networks. Think of these as massive webs of virtual brain cells, stacked in layers. And the more layers it has, the deeper the network. So, why does this matter? Here's the magic: deep learning doesn't need me or any human expert to explain exactly what to look for in data. In traditional machine learning, someone would have to handpick features, like specific shapes in an image or keywords in a document. This is called feature engineering, and honestly, it's a ton of work. But with deep learning, the network figures all that out on its own. Let's say I want a computer to tell the difference between a cat and a dog in a photo. With old-school methods, I'd need to define what makes a cat's ear or a dog's nose unique. But a deep neural network learns those features itself, straight from raw pixels, just by looking at millions of images. No manual instructions from me, just pure automated learning. This self-learning power is a game changer, especially for messy or unstructured data like photos, audio, or whole books of text. Deep learning models can pick out patterns and subtle clues that even experts might miss. That's why you see it everywhere now, from voice assistants that understand you, to cars that drive themselves, to apps that can turn doodles into artwork. And here's the kicker: because deep learning handles so much of the heavy lifting, it's making AI both faster and smarter, with a lot less human effort. So next time your phone recognizes your face, or an app magically translates languages, remember, it's deep learning behind the curtain, working its brain-inspired magic. That's the heart of deep learning. Not just teaching computers to process information, but empowering them to see, hear, and understand the world around us. Almost like we do.